They were very barbaric. They took turns raping me under the tree where I had gone to gather wood to keep warm.
يعني منتهى الترويع يعني ومنتهى الإذلال ومنتهى القهر تم من قبل الدعم السريع للمواطنين والمواطنات في مناطق النزاعات ومناطق الحروب.
Three RSF fighters stormed into our home in the afternoon. My brother was out. When I saw them, I screamed and tried to run away, but one of them locked the door. They pointed their guns at me and told me to be quiet. I was ordered to lie on the bed. When I refused, he hit me hard and attacked me. He then raped me. Before I could wake up from the shock, another soldier came in and did the same. I couldn't believe it. I wake up in the middle of the night and wish I had never been born.
دي حاجة ممنهجة يعني تمت في دارفور سابقا بتتم فيها الآن تامة في الخرطوم في الحرب من تحديدا ما يقوموا به ناس ميليشيا الدعم السريع. أنا شخصيا عندي لها تسمية إنه دي حرب الباطل، وحرب الباطل أصلا ما فيها منتصر لكن فيها ضحايا.